Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will take a brief look at cooperatives. In a cooperative living situation, the taxpayer does not own the room or apartment in which he or she lives. Instead, a corporation owns the apartment, and a taxpayer is a tenant stockholder in the cooperative housing corporation. If that taxpayer then decides to rent out the apartment to others, all maintenance fees paid to the cooperative housing corporation are deductible. In addition to these fees, any direct payments for repairs, upkeep, or interest paid on a loan used to buy stock in the corporation are also deductible. In cases such as these, the taxpayer would take a depreciation deduction on the stock in the corporation rather than on the actual apartment.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.